In this video, I'll show you how to recover a hacked Facebook business account step by step. If someone has gained unauthorized access to your business manager, it's important to act quickly. First, open your web browser and sign in to the Facebook account linked to your Meta Business Suite. If you can still access your account, immediately change your Facebook password and enable two-factor authentication. Next, open Business Settings and review the People section. Remove any unknown users or admins who were added without your permission. Then check your pages, ad accounts, payment methods, and other business assets for any unauthorized changes. If you can't access your business manager, go to Meta Business Support and report your account as compromised. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete any identity or business verification requested by Meta. Once your account is recovered, review all permissions, update your security settings, and make sure only trusted people have access. That's how you can recover a hacked Facebook business account. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.